Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Border City. Today we're checking out a tour of a pre-owned Ram 1500 Laramie EcoDiesel. Blue streak metallic and exterior color, and accented with a set of projection-style headlamps with LED daytime running lights. A chrome front bumper, black wrap tour recovery hooks, and a Ram winter front. At the side we have winter tires, alloy wheels, running boards, chrome mirror caps, chrome door handles, and chrome vent visors. 4 full doors to accommodate 5 passengers. We have a power sunroof, keyless entry, and Ram factory remote start. At the rear we have a manual locking tailgate, rear park sensors, and a trailer towing connection with 7 and 4-pin electrical, Laramie badging, and chrome tip 2 exhaust. Equipped with power windows, power locks, and power mirrors, we have door speakers and door storage. Steering wheel controls for the Uconnect system, driver's airbag, the option to manually select your gear, we have cruise control and media center controls. We have a push button engine start. The 3-liter EcoDiesel has 130,400 kilometers on the odometer. We have an outside temperature display and a productivity screen. We have a rotary shift dial with a transmission, a heated steering wheel, dual climate control zones, heated and cooled seats, a 110 power outlet, a navigation ready system, a backup camera, an outside temperature display. Overhead we have universal garage door openers, we have an Alpine sound system, power sliding rear window switch, and a set of map lights. In the back seat we have dual TV players in the headrests. We have leather seats and a 12-volt power supply. Overhead lighting, a 60/40 split bench, and a fold-down available armrest. If you have any additional questions about this model, please don't hesitate to contact our professional friendly sales staff. Look forward to answering any questions you may have, and we thank you for shopping online with us here at Boundary Ford.